Hello. Hi, James. Hi, Cows. Or Shaz. I swear, today's been a right nightmare. I keep losing my stuff. I swear I'm losing the plot. Oh, so there. This one? Must be. Yeah. Hello, guys. Hi, Cows. Hi, James. Just got a PS Vita. No power. Never touched one of these. Don't know how long it's going to take. Hello, 8-Bit Chris. Oh, I was going to say... Oh, yeah. 8-Bit Chris. PS Vita GPU OLED driver problem. I like your cut, G. Thank you. Yeah, very, very bold. Feels good. It's not the first. I forgot about it done, actually. Or I did it last night. Just need to grow the beard out a bit now. Then I look like James. Just got to dye it black. And I think I look exactly like him. So, he bought this faulty. I think he tried to repair it himself. He says the port needs changing, which I don't think it does. Can't really tell. He's giving me a new port. And I don't know if that's the original battery or he's replaced it. That kind of looks original because it's got water damage. Looks like it's liquid damaged. So that's probably why it's not working. Check the voltage of it first. I've not even looked at this yet. Fun fact, this thing's so small for a handheld. He gave it to me. I wrote a label for it. And then I went upstairs for something, come back down and I lost it. I can't remember what I did with it. And my missus found it. 4 volts. So that's a charged battery. It's a 3.7 volt, right? 4.25 volts. Maximum charge voltage. Yeah, 3.7 volts. So that's still got charge in it. Just low. Oh, well, let's move on to this. Pressing the power button. Nothing. Annoying thing is it's micro USB. He said there's 2 screws at the bottom, 1 at the top underneath this flap. Oh yeah, there is. And then 4 at the back. Takes the back off. Let me plug it in though, see what it does. Micro USB. Hello, Zern. Yeah, apparently it is what it is. The port looks fine. Actually, I'll inspect it first under the scope. To me, it looks absolutely fine. Doesn't look liquid damaged, does it? No, that's fine. I don't know. Yeah, it looks fine. Hello, Stubby2. Long time no see. Right, let's plug it in. I've got no current indicator or anything. Where's the orange LED? I guess it's at the top here. Yeah. It's not doing anything. All right, let's get into it and have a look. Check for voltages and stuff. That's tiny. That's what she said. Oh dear. I'm funny sometimes. Hello, Miles Better. Happy Friday. I always forget. Miles, you're the one that's around the corner from me, right? I keep forgetting. Hello, EDM Guru. Hello, pal. I'm normally at work when you're streaming, but I'll give you a thumbs up, pal. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. Is my commands working? Cry day. It is cry day. Yeah, it is. Yeah. My command's not working. Why? Oh, I haven't even got it open. That's why. Sorry. Yeah, I've not got it open. I forgot to click it. Let's wait for that to start up a bit. So I contacted an electrician today, and he wanted me to send pictures over of my consumer unit and the side of the house and stuff, the garden and the stuff inside my shed. He's trying to find a way to break in. It should work now. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Needs to wake up. I said, baby, you've been looking real good. Yeah. Oh, God, I hope these are different screws. No, they're all the same. Good. That's what I meant. I contacted an electrician. He was wanted £1,200 to put electric in my shed. That's what somebody else quoted me, pretty much. Mental. But safety is first, so if it comes to it, I will pay it. I haven't done all the screws. Is it just clips? He says it's pretty easy to get the back off. Why am I struggling? Oh no. Oh, there we go. I think it's just clipped. Seems excessive. All he wants to do is put this spare off a plug. I'm gonna have to get my pry tool. Wait, why does it feel like the face is coming up? Oh, it's not. It is the back. Oh my god, seriously. There. Thing is, if I had instructions on how to do it, I'd be quite happy to do it myself. Just turn off all the electrics on the consumer unit thing, add an extra one of those switches. Am I missing something or what? Seems like... Oh, it is just a strong clip. I think I'm going to do it myself, to be honest. Yeah, I would love to. Right, so that's just pinged off of... Well, that literally just rests on that, does it? Yeah, it's magnetic. Oh, okay. So that's the new battery. How far is it from your kitchen to your shed, please? It is... I don't know, about 10 meters, if that. It's not very long at all. But my RCD unit thing is right at the front door, so it's a bit longer. Well, this battery's completely dead. And this is supposed to be a new one. It's got 0 juice in it. Literally 0. Dead. So is there a short on here that's causing the short? Or causing the drain? Let's plug this back in. Is it reducing? No? Don't say it was just a dead battery. Well, it's not draining the battery. You need to use armored cable buried in trend. Yeah, you said that before, EDM, but that's a bit excessive. I could just do it from the front of my house because my box is literally right near the front door anyway, inside the house. I could just run it outside the house, across the wall, and then into my shed. Let's see if the power button works now. No. Still no power. I'm just trying the basics first before diving in any deeper. Is it charging? No, not charging either. Yeah. I reckon it's a GPU driver problem. Do you reckon it is? No, I'm guessing this is liquid damaged. Right. Wait, what was that connector for? Oh, okay. It's for whatever's at the back here. Looks slightly liquid damaged. Hello, Phil. I see you received the stuff. Shut up, Zed. See that little bit there, whatever that is? A bit of liquid damage. What is that? That's also similar to inside the actual connector itself. So you've got that, and then in this connector, you see the speck just here. Was that just dirt? I might just be dirt. Yeah, it's just a bit dirt. Little bit of dirt. I'm not at home. That spoils the surprise. Sorry, is anyone at home? Because I hope they haven't just left on your doorstep. Right, let me see if there is a short on here. I know there wouldn't be. Board inspection would be better, wouldn't it? Yeah, nothing. See, is that liquid damage there as well? Power going to that fine? I'm sure it would be. I'll have to take this plastic frame off. Get a bit deeper. Get a little bit deeper. Yeah, they are. Okay, cool. Good. Right, so this cage. This screw's not even screwed down all the way. This is the first time me ever touching one of these. I've never felt one, seen one, played with one. Oh yeah, it could be, Phil, yeah. Didn't even know that that's a thing on these. Or it's just no idea. Yeah, this is some sort of liquid damage. See, like this. Or is that factory flux? My thing's broken. No, that could just be flux. I don't know what that is. Sniff it. Holy moly, did you get too close to the electricity socket? Yes, I did. Hello, cows. Oh, Hectorida, hello. James Mac, GJ3FI. Hi, James. It's like a little mini PC. Easy peasy. Just disconnect all the ribbon cables. Wait, which one's the one for charging? This one. That's for the camera. That could come out with that. For daughter board. And whatever that is for. Raj, bloody hell. Hello, mate. Hello, Russy Russ. What's up with this? No power, Chris. F. It's not charging. No light. He said if he presses down on the connector, it would blink orange. But he replaced a new battery. But it's completely dead. Like, this is a new battery, but it is literally complete, like, depleted. But it's not charging anyway. Oh, it's on clips. Okay, there's a clip there and a clip there. Easy pizza. Completely dead. No power. Stuck on there. A ribbon cable. Oh, God. There's rust at the bottom here. To be fair, it just looks like old age. Okay. Do a visual inspection. You're supposed to shave your head in the summer, not the winter cold. I know, kind of bad timing, right? You're getting all posh for Sunday. What, shaving my head? All posh? Yeah, all right then. Looks wild bald, doesn't it? Love it. I don't mind it. I've seen me do this a few times, so I know what it's like. Right, let's start off with this corner. I just want to look around for stuff. Anything that looks iffy. Yeah, this is liquid damage. I'm sure of it. Maybe it's been cleaned up. Looks like me. Well, I look like you. Hi, Andy. Who's the bald guy? Hi, Pitco. Not me. Look, it's kind of got all the... Oh, somewhere over there. Oh, I think I've already scraped at that. But look, this is black there. Glass thingy there. What's this? Take it that's under the CPU or APU, whatever's on here. Not really much to see on this. Hiya, hello board rev. Looks like earwax. Don't fook with the boldies. Hey! Holy crap, we got a shiny Andy now. Very shiny. Check it in the dishwasher. Nah, I got ultrasonic cleaner. Just doing a visual inspection first, but nothing really seems to be jumping out massively. You can see here all the rust, but I think it's just moisture damage rather than liquid damage. Don't know, it looks rather dark. So if I plug in the power, wonder if it's actually going through anywhere. You can see where liquid surface tension has made a V shape. It's dried around the components. Missing component? I'm not sure. What, somewhere around here and stuff? Nah, I think that's yeah. You might be right there actually. That feels like it's been torn off. Or they're just test pads like these. No, they could just be test pads. This looks really weird. Thanks, Exode. Appreciate that. Andy reminds me of John Travolta in that movie from Paris with Love. I don't know what that one is. Are you going to install Linux? Oh, for God's sake, Strawberry. I don't know. Can you? Are you able to do that on a PS Vita? Yeah. So one of these is power button. Right. I guess let me plug it in and like check for voltages around over. Sean, do you recognise this PS Vita? I bet you can. Oh, okay. All right, so this should be providing 5 volts. Wait, is it plugged in? Yeah, we're plugged in. What model, Andy? I don't know. (2003) PCH 2003. You're welcome. Right, so I need to go into voltage and see if voltage is going through anywhere. Well, straight away, that's a bit weird. Jumping everywhere. Why is that not stable voltage? And that's just going through. It's being dragged down probably. It's probably drawing current from somewhere. Let's get the thermal cam out. I sent him. I know you did. Did he actually come to your house as well? Just want to know. And I thank you for it, by the way. One of parts in microscope are smaller than they appear. Parts in my... Oh, okay, thank you. Jumping all over the world. Nope, it's not showing anything. It's kind of annoying. I'm thinking more of the Scooter song. Oh, I can't even get that out. No, just message you. Oh. PCDD is live. Little shit. PCDD, little shit. I'm joking. Right, let me go under the microscope because I can't really see what I'm probing here. Right, so we've got power going in. What's SB? Because it's not a stable 5 volts unless I'm on a bad ground. Let me try this ground. Yeah, 2.8, 2.2. It keeps jumping. And that's directly from this pin. Actually. Yeah. Don't understand why it's doing that. Alright, let's see what that's attached to. Pads. Flip it around. Damn it, I've lost it. Does it literally just go straight under that? No. Wait, I've lost it. Oh, it's there. Under here. There's nothing under there. Ugh. Oh, there is something under there. What's that? Is that a crystal? It goes to that. Have you checked that fuse? What fuse? This fuse. This is a fuse. It's the same both sides, so I'm assuming it's fine. We're getting 0.2. Oh, it's fluctuating between 2.4 and 3 volts. Same with that one. Oh my god! Cows! Moo! Is my commands not working? No, is it still not working? Hold on. Connected 1 of 3. Why? What's not connected? YouTube broadcaster. Excuse me? Connect. That's weird. I have to reconnect it again. There you go. Sorry, guys. We should be connected now. Let me quickly check Discord. Oh no! There you go. It's working. What are you under? Other repairs? Nope. General. Oh, you've got the voltage rails. Power and charging IC. Retro 6 wiki. Oh. I think I've got another issue rather than that though. So where's that? That's in the shield. I believe it's not the same board. No, it's not the same board. Cows. Nope. Yeah, it's not the same board. Because where he's looking at, I believe, is somewhere in here, and it doesn't look the same. I don't have NPN and PNP transistors anywhere in these shields. That's all right. Let's carry on searching around for the voltages. So we know it's fluctuating. So that just goes to, I don't know what the hell's on. Oh, now it's stable 3.9. Eh? How's it changed to stable 3.9 now? It was all over the place a minute ago. Is it the dodgy port? Sure, it could be. 3.9 volts. That's still low though, isn't it? Still not the 5 volts. Right. What's this? Data. Yeah, 0.7 volts. That seems fine. No idea. 0.3, and that would be ground. Is that 0.3? 0.341. Why is that only 3.9 volts and not 5 volts? That's odd. He hasn't put model specific on Porsche. Damn it. That's a shame. Let me clean the port a sec. Where you first seen 3.9, that's where the fuse would go. They have used a smaller packaged one. What, that SB is a fuse? Is that what you're saying? Oh, I think I see what you mean. That pad, I think you mean. This pad here. What does it read now once it's cleaned? 0.5? Eh? 0.4 volts. It's even less. 4.7 volts just by cleaning the port. Oops. Hello, Blue Saber. Something just disconnected. 4.8 volts. I think the port just needed cleaning. Now go up. 0.8 volts. 0.8 volts. I don't know, let's just measure around here. Nothing. Nothing. It's probably because it's not powered up. Is that the power management chip there? No idea what that says. C3008. So that looks like it's gone. The end cap. I think it's just corroded. 4.1 there. We get nothing here. I think that's just corroded off, isn't it? There's no end cap there. It's been water damaged. 2.2 volts there. It might even work now, you know, just by cleaning the port. 4.7. Other pad? What other pad? .1 volts there. I mean, it seems like we're getting power now. No way cleaning the port would have sorted it. No way. Let's connect the power connector, see if there's button power. I mean, actually, no, let's see if it charges now. Seconds, got a text message. You need a USB plug that has 2 amp output. They won't charge off a computer USB or... Oh. So you can't charge them from... Can't charge them from 5 volts. It needs 2 amps. What? Andy looking like a goon from Swin. Oi! Shut up, Blue Saber. How are you anyway? It's been a long time. Yeah. Well, that's going to be annoying then. 5.5 volts it went up to then. Why is that fluctuating everywhere? I'm so confused. 5.5. This is the battery voltage. Let's look under the thermal cam. Maybe something's playing silly buggers. Andy sent a pic on Discord. There's literally nothing on that side. Nothing on that side. Literally nothing's getting warm. Alright, let me have a look on Discord again. Different sizes. Oh, right. That's a fuse. Shut up, is that a fuse? That's a capacitor. That's a cap because it's going to ground, Phil. There's no way that's a fuse. No way. That can't be a fuse. There's the fuse. F6501 at 2 amps. That's not a fuse. This is ground plane. That's a capacitor. Yup. Yep, what? Correct. Oh. Yeah, that's the fuse, but it goes to whatever's at the back here, the crystal, I think. Hang on, let me have a look. There. Well, it goes under here. Oh, actually, oh, okay. It's oh, yeah, you can see the dots. So this big, massive. Shut up, Tracy. Hello, Joseph. It's quite hard to see underneath all that goop. So, I don't understand where that's going to, though. Oh no! No, that can't be. Where is that going to? It's not going to the other side. Because it will come up there. Stop it. Because the fuse is fine because I'm getting voltages around here. My concern is that... Wait, not that one. Where is it? Down here? All right, let's check battery voltages.
I've
then.
got a really small
Have you,
one.
James? Let's follow the battery voltage. That'd be easier rather than charging. Let's see if we can even get it powered up on battery. So, straight away I'm getting... Wait, what? Oh. Is this like the fuel gauge? Battery voltage would be through here. This is the fuse. Getting 0 volts from the battery. Why? Here and here connected? No. So why is this not connected? I'm in ohms. No, I wasn't. I was in continuity. I'm not getting any reading. Is that the issue? That's fine. There to there's nothing. What's on the other side of that a second? And that's a switch. No, it's not a switch one, is it? There you go. It's probably what the issue is. Maybe. For the battery, it can't charge the battery because I'm not getting continuity. Now I need to take that off though to have a look what's going on. Or is it just not soldered properly here? Anyway. Why? Even there to there works. I think it's corroded. I'm going to have to resolder it back on, aren't I? Yeah. Unless that's attached to here, but it's not. No. That would be the negative. Yeah. Okay. Pin rotted away, yeah. I think that's probably what the issue is. That's why it's not charging and turning on, because there's no battery. Alright, can I do it from underneath? Most likely. I will have to cover this up I don't want to damage the port because the port's actually okay. Yeah, port's solid. Nothing wrong with the port. Careful, you cannot get those connectors easily. Ta-da! Got a spare one here. Whoops. Oh, I just knocked my overhead camera. Good find, Andy. Thank you. Hopefully it is fixed. Yeah, I could do dreams. Directly solder the battery in, but let's see if I can sort this out first. Ooh. Oh, I cleaned James's scissors now as well. They're nice and clean. Link to connector if possible, please. I have 1,000 model missing one. I'm sorry, I don't know. The customer already provided it. I'm not going to change the connector, the charger port, because it seems to be perfectly fine. Just needed cleaning out in the inside. Is this a water? Most likely, I think it might be. This is one of the capacitors look like the end cap's missing. Well, on one side anyway. It's still soldered to the board. Okay, that looks good. Go to edge of desk. Why do these sell so high? I don't know. How much is it? 50, 60 quid? Because I know these could be modded, basically, I think. Wow, it's reflecting off of that. It's killing the colour. Right, usual. How fix a board? Do 370 at 70% because I'm not sure. Shut up, is it? Is it really £100 plus? No. No way. That's silly. That is mentals. Oh yeah, this is liquid damage. Look at that bubbling at the side there, look. It smells of mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. I have two, and yes it is. That is mental. Okay, I think we're gonna have to up it a bit.
Stacer subscribed to the channel.
Oh, thank you, Stacer. Oh, why does it smell like mushrooms? Up in the temperature to 440. Come on. Why is it not coming off? Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Whew. That stinks. My eyes are burning for some reason. Yeah, nothing's melted. It's making my eyes sting. Yeah, okay, so we've definitely got copyright. 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 Hello. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. Oh, just take the cash. What? Okay. Why is it always KFC? Okay. No, thank you. I don't even fancy that. Alright, I love you. Forever and always, bye. Yeah, it smells like mushrooms. So, yeah, I haven't melted anything or burnt anything. That's a good thing about this tape. It looks like it's about to burn, I think, maybe. No, doesn't even look like it's about to burn. Looks spot on. Yep. So this obviously is liquid damaged at some point in its life, and it's eating away at the connector. There's no pad there. Pad has said bye. It's been eaten away. Is that gone? Mold spores. What's up with my spelling? I don't know actually. In the US, those PS Vitas go for 200. Yeah, but your US is well overpriced on everything. Why? I don't know. Sure, ultrasonic clean it. Yeah, that's a good shout actually. Yeah, if I get this working, I will ultrasonic clean it. Stick it in that, including the screen. No, yeah, that pad's gone, isn't it? I don't think there's even a pad there. I don't like this blue against it. Nope. Guess I'm gonna have to create one. Dollars versus pounds is the same. Or PDS, whatever PDS is. Mold? Don't know, maybe. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to create a jumper wire from... See, I think that middle bit's gone as well, isn't it? Am I getting continuity on that middle square? Oh, everything gaming related is overpriced due to YouTuber hyping the price when flipping a console. Yep. Yep. Oh no, that's still got continuity. I'm gonna grind. Oh. Oh, it's coming back. It's iffy. No, it's gone. I think I'm okay now. I'm just gonna grind it a smidge just to take the surface off. He lost his hair. Yes, Spec, I'm part of you now, mate. My wig fell off finally. There you go. Part of the Bold gang. You can snag up a Wii pretty cheap. Yeah, I've got one in the house. I was supposed to play with it later with the kids. I don't really want to, but you know, it's their last day at school, so they want to celebrate and play games. And I was like, okay, we'll do that. Did I miss something? Did Andy lose a bit? Lose a bet? No, Nandor. Hello. Hello. Look at that. Perfect. Now it's proper sticking to it. Cheeky little shit. I didn't lose a bet. I never lose bets because I don't ever bet. All right, let's get this port back on connector. Oh, actually, I better clean the bottom of this, and I as well. Is it still there or is it gone? That wasn't me farting, by the way. I think that's gone. Nah, it's probably still there. Then I guess you did it. Few people are capable of that. What, shaving? Wow, I was almost bald anyway, wasn't I? So I might as well just continue with it. It's not the first time I've shaved my head. Might have to just do a jumper wire. Somehow. Look, that whole pin's corroded. Very small wire to the tip of that. Let's see how it goes. It might burn through it. Pin rotted away. Yeah, it might be able to work. At this point, I'm just tempted just to hardwire the battery in, like you said, Dreams. Would have been easier. But let's keep it factory. Let's keep it factory. Ah, yeah, fudge packer. Ah, it's hot. Because you can't get those anymore. Can't get what anymore? There you go, just there. Oh, they're expensive because you can't get these anymore. Ah, burnt myself. The battery connector on the board. Yeah, you can. It's just a simple 3-pin thing, right? Surely you can. Use the new port. No, that's a charging port, not the battery port. No. I love you. Forever and away. See you soon. Oh, okay. Okay. Mrs. going out in the car. Ah, that's bloody hot. The config, the pack. Oh, wow. Okay. Worst case, you could just hardwire it then. Okay. It should be good. Hot Cows 3D print one. Oh, yeah. You got a 3D printer now, ain't ya? Yeah, of course you have. All right. Let me see if we get continuity now. Still in continuity mode. You can see that, can't you? And let's go from this pin to this. Yay! Okay. If I go into ohms, it should be 0 ohms. It will if I hold it long enough. The board's still hot. Let's blame the board. It's still hot. Doesn't the switch light... Wait, does the switch light have 3? You know what? You could be right, Dreams. No, it's not the same as a switch light. Well, there's only one way to find out, Mark. Here's a switch light connector. Fits in there perfectly. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Same as the switch light. Whoa, there you go. Easy peasy for you, cows. Sorted. You're welcome. Nice. All right, let me see if it charges now. Obviously, I won't get an orange light. This is the original battery because the other one's depleted. I'll take this off. Okay. Plug in. That way around. Click connecting lovely. See if we get voltage to the battery. Oh, what? I need to swap it around. Here we go. Is it charging now? Yes, it is, I think. 4.92. Last one was 4.91. Yep, there you go. It's gone up. Oh, well, it did. Please charge. But then again, the owner did just say to me that it can't charge on. Aww. Oh well, let me plug it in. Maybe, yeah, you said you can't charge it off of a PC anyway. So, yeah, don't tell anyone. Start selling them as PS Vitas. Yeah. Right, let's try and plug it into the cable here. Can't remember which way around it went now. Like that. There you go. Like this. Right, surely if you power it on, it'll have a light, right? Here we go. What? 4 volts is enough to power up. Depleted Vita takes about 9 minutes to boot. Yeah, but surely you should get some sort of light when you press the power. It's a 4-volt battery. It's got 4 volts in it. Well, do I have to get a... Why does it have to be USB, micro USB? I might have to get another adapter quick. 2 amp adapter. Nope, it won't light up at all. What, with 4 volts? It's a 4.25 volt battery. Surely 4 volts will work. Come on, that's got to be the only issue with it. Depleted. If it isn't charged, it won't give you indication at all. Really? So you're saying I've just got to leave it like that? Check battery charge rate. Yeah, I know, it's not charging. That's the thing. It's still not charging. Voltage. Eh? How's it 1.5 volts now? Four volts. But that to the batteries, 1.4 volts. Ground. I don't understand that. So why ground to positive to the battery is 1.4, but battery negative to positive is 4 volts, 4.92, not charging. Hello, Electro Rep. But we're definitely getting power through to there now, 4.89, 4.90. Let me try a different charger. The owner did say you can't charge it off PC, so instead of me jumping anywhere else, let me go find a 2 volt adapter quick. Inject power. That's a good shout. Yeah, just see if it turns on through bench power supply. Yes. GG. Look at you, Spec 360. Right, where shall I solder it to? The end of that resistor. Fuse. My penis is fuse. Way too big. I need a smaller wire now. Just use a proper charger. I don't have a proper charger. Everything's USB-C these days. And actually, I do have a proper charger. It's terrible. That's terrible. It's on there though. No, I just want to see if it turns on. Because if it turns on, then I will carry on trying to get it to charge. But if it doesn't turn on, then we've got to look for something else. Okay, here we go. Starting off with 4.2. Here we go. What's the event power supply? Are we going to get any current? No. We get nothing. Pressing the power button. Do we get a response? Ready? No response from battery button, the power button. What do you mean? What about the battery? Oh, yeah, it needs to sense it, won't it? Do you know what I could use? I could use the switch thing, can't I? Could I use the switch BMS for it? I mean, it's the same connector. Yeah. Yeah, I could just use that. Battery plus. Actually, what I will do first, battery negative. Actually, it looks like exactly like a switch battery. No, you shut up, cows. Let's see if I'm... Oh my God, my cable's getting all tangled. Look at this. Is that it? Yeah, right, okay. Put that there. See if I'm getting 4.2 first, because this is a bit finicky for me. Oh yeah, okay, we're getting 4.2. Good. Here it goes. Okay. Don't know why it showed that it was shorting out then. Pressing the power button. Nothing. I'm not getting... Oh, I know what's going on. I really need to do what Zach does to his. I'm probably not going to get 4.2 now. Nope. Thank you, Ruggers. There you go. Back to 4.2. So that's a wait. Right, come on. Don't short out. Okay, we're good. So now we should still get 4.2 in there. What? This flipping adapter. Live is reversed. Oh, is it? Oh yeah. Fuck's sake. Does that mean I need a 10k resistor somewhere to trick it? I'll just bloody get a proper charger. Be right back. Hope you'll fix it. Hope you're well, sir. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, thank you. Yeah. Hold on, let me go try and find a 2 amp power adapter. Oh, it's been a whole hour since I had a puff. Oh, that's so good. Oh. Right, drawer bits. I won't be in that drawer bits. No. I saw one somewhere. Drawer bits. Drawer bits number 3, please. No. Maybe there's one upstairs. Oh, so good. Echo, light on.
Okay.
Thank you. Right, here's one. What's this one? 1.5 amps. Will it draw more than 1.5? Maybe if the battery's dead and it powers up. But that's a foreign plug. That's not even a UK plug. What's this one? 2 amps. There you go. Got one. Echo, light off. Gonna go fill up my vape juice quick. It's in the front room. Does anyone else have an Alexa in their bedroom? So you could be lazy and turn the light off when you're in bed, snuggled up. Comes in handy. That's the only Alexa device we got that we control. Apart from the doorbell, but that's just for announcements. Alright, I'm coming. Don't know how well you could hear me. Coming out the back door. I'm on my way. How bad was I? Alright, what are we saying? No, I turn off the light, stumble, trip in bed. Lol. A what? Yeah, Google though. Now old school lamp. I have a clapper from the 80s. Can you get them? Not listening to me snoring like an elephant. I don't trust Alexa. Used to stub my toe too often. Ouch. Yeah, you use a Google though. Yeah, it's the best thing ever having your light hooked up to Alexa. What was I doing? Grabbing the cable. Plugging it in there. Plug it in there. That's plugged in. And here we go. Still not going to work. No charge light. Pressing the power button. Nothing. Still nothing. Because there's no battery in there, you douchebag. Yeah, you're right, Zern. Damn it. Jumping ahead of myself. So you're saying, though, I don't know if it's drawing current or what. Well, here we go. Still nothing. Power button. Nothing. Remember, this is a 4-volt battery, so it should have some charge in it. My whole bench is Alexa operated. What? Still nothing. You're going to draw anything? No, it's not charging either. If it's water damage, run a cleaner on and go full ham on it. So this is going to have multiple faults then. If that battery connector was one of them, There's going to be other faults. Great. Follow voltage. Where from? Battery? Or charger? Thermal cam? If it's not drawing anything, I've already checked a couple of times as well, spec. It shows nothing under thermal. Actually, with the battery in, it's not drawing any current, so from USB. Yeah, I tried to, but then I got lost. Oh, what, with the battery plugged in? Yeah, I might give a different reading. Duh. Because of the sense pin. Good shout. Well done, Dreams. Yes, thermal cam. All right, I'll do another thermal cam, but it's not drawing anything. Is there a board view? I don't know, actually. Maybe. Retro 6 guide. Oh, I've got nits. See? Cold as a cucumber. Nothing. That there, I think it's just reflection as well, because it's a glass chip. And wire the battery. Maybe change the port to USB Type C. Oh, I'm not doing all that. I'll follow it from USB-C. It might give different readings now in voltages. Micro USB is £3 off eBay. Oh, nice. Oh, hello, Mark. There you go. Cows, hot cows. £3 on eBay. Right, voltages. Here we go. Voltage. Whoa. So here, we're still getting 0 volts. Why am I getting 0 volts? Eh? Oh, it feels all sticky. Why is it all sticky? Is it because of that tape? Tape residue.
Chris Walker subscribed to the channel.
Chris, thank you. Thanks for subscribing, Chris. I know the USB port is available. I have changed one. It's the battery connector that blew me away. Oh.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Right, here we go. Right, that clipped in lovely this time. Now am I going to get some voltage back to that again? Oh no! Yes. Yeah, 5 volts exactly now. 5.0 volts. Well, 5.1 almost. Oh, so now let me try it with the bloody battery then. Don't say it was my cable in the port the whole time. Well, not the whole time, obviously, because the battery connector wasn't working. Okay. Here we go. 5.1 volts. And the battery charging, is it? Let's have a look. Sorry about the blurriness. No, it's acting weird. It's fluctuating. If I go to ground, it goes 4.8 and then it drops. Something's not happy and it's not charging. If I try and show you what I mean. Look, I go to ground here. Ground and then positive. 4.8, nothing. 4.8, nothing. 4.8, nothing. and it's not charging. Right, let's carry on. Look at chasing the voltages. Clean port. I've already cleaned it. I could always swap the port again. Well, not again, but I could always swap the port. Well, I believe the port is fine because I was getting a stable 5. I am getting a stable 5. I am getting a stable 5 voltage. Okay, so forget about the charging side of it at the minute. Some sort of protection shutting it down. Yeah, I'm just going to follow the battery voltages rather than charging at the minute. So if we go through here, flipping it around, comes out from here. Which one? Is it this one or these little ones? Big, long one. Oh, okay, it comes out from here and goes into that inductor. So let me check the inductor. We're still getting battery voltage to that inductor. No, I'm getting 0.2 volts. So why is that dropped dramatically straight from battery? Is there a short on here somewhere? Is it this chip? 0.4 volts there. 0.4 volts. 0.3 volts. It's actually dropping. Why? Yeah, that end cap's definitely gone there, look. There's no end cap there, it's been eaten. Probably something around BQ. Yeah, that's not even the BQ, but I'm guessing that is the charger chip. The PMIC or something. 27520. That's not on here. I don't have one of them. Most of the area looks a bit crap around it. It does. There's a lot of black and stuff. There you go, that one's missing its end cap. It could be corroded underneath. It's a BGA chip. This Toshiba. That's glued. Underfilled. And on the other side, we've got this shiny thingy, which I can't even read. And you've got this. Oh. No, it doesn't say BQ or anything. Don't know what that says. Very bright. And then we've got this over here. And then that's it for BGA. Must be under a shield. There is no shields. Unless you're on about literally underneath here somewhere. There's another fuse there, 0.5. Where's that fuse then? Oh, it'll be under the shield, won't it? Fancy putting a fuse under the shield. Do you know what? I'm tempted just to ultrasonic it. Where was I? Oh yeah, I was back to this chip, wherever it is. Where's it gone? On this side. Because of that inductor. Because it comes through here. What am I getting? Here? It's becoming less. 1.4 volts. Oh, it's not coming through there though. Where is it? Hold on. Just trying to see if it is coming through there. No, it's different directions. It's where, yeah, it's not coming directly through the board. So I don't know if that is it. So the pad is more up here, unless they are joint. What am I getting here then? 1.5 volts. Something's iffy. Battery, 1.5 volts. I'm going to get 1.5 volts from battery now. Disconnect the battery. 4 volts, 4.9 volts. Eh? .5 volts. So from battery to ground, I'm only getting 1.5 volts. Must be underheat. You read that. Any broken chips? Go back to the power up chips and follow the chips around that. Swap the connector. What, the battery connector? Maybe it's just getting a bad ground. .5 volts from there to there. Yeah. So why am I getting 1.5 volts there? But up here, I am getting still the full volts. So I think still not right about it, is it? No. No, actually. Continuity mode check for shorts. What if I now, because it's got the battery, and I could inject a bit more voltage in here? Alright, I'll go around checking for shorts. Wow, it's kind of hard when some of these caps are missing. How am I going to test that? Okay, well, that's ground, but I don't know if it's going through to that. Oh, these are the transistors, I think. Ah, like your new state. Thank you, Pabs. Yes. Yeah, 2 seconds, Dreams. I'll have a look. There's a switch that disables USB. There's a switch that disables it. Yeah, but that's not the issue at the minute, Dreams. The issue is it's not even getting 5 volts from the battery. It's dropping it to 1.5. But I'll have a look at this switch quick. What? Oh, who's done that? Ruggers, you little. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so hot. I'm sweating. That's funny. Oh my god. Okay, I'll show everyone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm wondering when you see it. Well, Dreams just said to look in Discord. Unless you're on about DM, Dreams. Okay, let me try and watch this quick. Come on, get on with it. What are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. What did you do? You're just plugging in a bloody cable in and out. I don't understand it, Dreams. Oh, 1 minute in the video. Oh. What, 1 minute exactly? Sorry. Ah, yeah, there it is. What the fudge is that? Where's that on the board? Do I need to slip with the screwdriver as well? That's not on here. That's not this model. Unless it's on here, which it's not. That's not the same model. That's a different model. I try. I know. Thank you. Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Oh, that's the OLED GPU. Yeah, Chris, it's the OLED GPU driver problem version. Yes. No, thanks, Dreams. Yeah, that's. I haven't got that on the board. Yeah. Anyway, back to looking for shorts. Where was I? Don't know. M92T36. I think I tested this. Oh, I thought that was a short then. Well, that end cap's gone as well. And that end cap. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Any short on this? No, I've already checked that rail. Let's try around here. This is so black. Look. I can't test under there. Talking. What? Not worth the time. That board is through by now. I've seen on PC. Yeah, it's really badly liquid damaged. It's eating away at stuff. The components. And without a donor, I can't even swap the bad caps away because I don't know what values they are. Oh, could it be? Nah, these are the volume switches. Power and volume. All right, what I think I'm going to do is literally inject the extra voltage to see if it'll power up. See if it is a battery. No, it won't be a battery issue. Or see if it'll force something to start glowing. I mean, it is a 4.2 rail anyway, right? But what's that resistor going on? Is that resistor eaten? Is it gone? Kind of looks like that resistor's been eaten away. The power regulator chip's probably fudge. You'll need to pass it with the wire on and a switch. Yeah, let me just continue looking for shorts anyway. Don't know if I checked this. They seem fine. Did I check around this one? No, I don't think I did. Oh, look, that's another crystal. Yeah, see, it's like there's liquid been underneath there. That's all resistors. 99% wouldn't be as sure it would be missing trace or rotted connection. Yes, I agree. Because it's not growing. Not growing. It's not drawing any current. So there's no short there. So it's like it is missing something. But why is it only from battery literally pulling it right down? What I might have to start doing, well, I'll remove that fuse and see if it's still pulling it down. If so, it could be on the negative circuit side. Because this reminds me of a switch, very much like a switch, because the switch also has this right next to the fuel gauge. So I don't know if this is the fuel gauge part of it. And it is rotted there, look, that capacitor. Resistor. This kind of reminds me of a fuel gauge on the switch. Nah, it's still there. That's fine. Reflow the whole board. That's what I usually do when on switches that are water damaged. Just reflow the ICs. Remove USB port for a start. USB port's fine. I get 5 volts through it. I'm not baking it at that. I'm not sticking this in my oven. That's such a quick fix. I want to remove this fuse just to see if voltage is still dropping from battery. That's what I'm going to do. Don't forget the icing. Yeah. I'm going to lower the temperature this time and airflow around 40% because we're on top of the board now. Don't need to have high voltage. Melt some plastic? Yeah, buddy. Put it up the temperature in a minute. Jesus. Oh, there we go. Hello, chill and relax. How are you? Andy, looking good with the new haircut. Thank you, but I wouldn't say looking good. Got my beard coming like James. Yeah. Well, what's Russ saying? Do you get ground continuity on ground pin of the battery connector? Yeah, it might not be grounding. Yeah, I think I am though. So I did it not from ground. Ow! Oh, that board's extremely hot still. So that's ground. Yeah. If the voltage is being dropped from the charger, something must be using current. It's not. It's getting dropped from the battery, Dreams, not from the charger. I plugged the battery in. It's not even getting 4 volts to this resistor, and it's straight from the battery. It's literally dropping it straight to it. I'm forgetting about the USB connector at the minute because there's something else interfering with the battery positive. If you know what I'm saying. Damn, I'm getting hot. If you know what I mean, it's my scene. Wow, this is not cooling down. I can't reflow those big main chips because they've got underfill. I could only do other BGAs. Can't do that, can't do that. Anyway, back to plugging it in. I think it's cooled down enough now. Unless this... No, the battery's fine. It won't be faulty. Unless the BMS is damaged on it. Suppose I could try the new battery. Why am I in continuity mode? Douchebag. Okay, we get 4.090. And to ground, 3.90. Okay, so we've dropped a whole volt now. It's a bit better. Well, not a whole volt. No, we dropped it minus 3.9. This one? Minus 3.9. Yeah, that's right then, right? 4 volts to ground is 3.9. 3.939. .9 volts. Let me check for shorts on this rail. No, there's no short there. Bad battery ground. I don't know. Let me try the other battery because he has bought a new battery. But this one's dead. Like, completely dead. No volts in it at all. Yeah, literally 0.00 volts. So I don't even know if that will charge being depleted. Ohms from battery ground to USB ground. Ohms from battery ground to USB ground. 0.0 ohms technically. Let me try and charge it this way now with this other battery in. Like I said, I don't even know if it will charge it being dead. Okay. Quickly check the voltage. DC. See, it's acting weird. We get some in there. We get 0.2 volts. 0.279. 0.329. If I press harder. Why if I press harder it goes up higher? Better contact, maybe. No, it's 0.279. Nah, 2.79. 2.78. If I pull the port cable out.
Willu88 subscribed to the channel.
Oh, thank you, Willu. Thank you for subscribing. So there is some power getting to it. Oh, hang on. I've not even got the flipping thing on there. The fuse. I didn't put the fuse back before testing. Might help, mightn't it? Oh, yeah, Andy. Just a little bit. Oh, you can't even see. No, not next. I don't want to give up on it. This is fun. I will find it.
Andy's the best.
Right, my phone went mentals. Why did my phone go mentals? Dispatched. Now one switch at a time, please. Oh, that's the only one I'm doing. Sent an image. Oh. Oh God, there's another one. I live my life one soda ball at a time. I look nothing like Vin Diesel. At least I don't look like Simon Pegg anymore. Oh, that's so hot. Whoa. Right, okay. Are you going to charge, sir? Are you charging? Can you see that? Yeah. See, why is it less? Oh yeah, this is a depleted battery. And then when I disconnect it, it goes down and the battery's draining. Plugging it in. So I think you stink. I might just start reflowing stuff. You look like Simon Pegg who had the wrong haircut. Ah. Alright, enough Andy memes today. I look solid with the bold haircut, Tommy. I'm the softest guy you'll ever meet. Yeah, thank you. Do I just do reflows? Could even be a disconnected solder ball. Do I change the port anyway? Should I change the port? That's good. That's good, cows. You reckon I should change the port? The port's fine. No, that will be pointless. No, it's pointless. See, has that pin been eaten away? Is that gone as well? It goes to that cap. Continuity, maybe? That could be an eaten pad, just like the battery. Hello, Sergio. If it is, then this is probably going to be game over because look, the end cap's been eaten away. Yep, no continuity there. No continuity. There's no end cap, but I should be able to hit the solder pad underneath it. Did not expect the haircut. Why not? What's wrong with being bold? Diode reading. That's a good shout, actually. Red probe on ground. On this pin. Oh, okay. 0.4 on this one. 0.4 as well. So why am I not getting a reading then? A continuity. So if I get diode reading but no continuity, what the fudge? Oh, now I do. Oh, hang on. Yeah. must have cleaned it. That's what happens after weeks of flux use rip hair. Alright guys, my hair. One minute you guys take the pistol that I'm going bald. Now I am bald, it's even worse. I'm joking. I have a PSP and turn it on now and again, but they don't have servers anymore for the games. Yeah, that's why people can mod them, I think. Right, I think I'm going to refresh these pads. And reflow and refresh, I think I'm going to do on these chips. Yeah, reflow and refresh. So reflow BGAs, refresh the pads on Q. Well, shit, what's it called? What are these ones called? I forgot. Not FPCs. Q. Not QVC. QFN. Thank you. Don't know what that stands for. Quad. Fucking nuisance. I don't know. One tweezers. Thank you. Yeah, QFN. And then my tweezers bent on the ends. No, why? But don't use it to pry anything. Is that alright now? Yeah, no. Okay, I think we're good. Did it just snap off? No, it just snapped. My tweezers. I can't pick it up. Oh, ah. These are expensive, these ones. Quick flow now. Nah, I'm going to take it off. Fuck your tweezers. Oh. Yeah, look at that pad. Sorry, but that pad's iffy. Yeah. Oh, I knocked a cap. Oh no, it's got no end cap on it. That's why. Yeah, there's probably way too much damage. Hang on, let's take note where the pin one is, bottom left. Oh, see, why did this come off that easily? Like, where's the solder gone? Look, there's literally no solder on that pad. There's not a pad there, surely. No way. Oh, revived. I'll say I'll try it. It'll be the same on 10% of the components. Yep. I'll just look in the worst areas and see what's bad and what's not. But I don't like how there's no solder on this one. Oh no. Why is there zero solder on it? Just gone. Eaten. Yep, I have to remove every single component and restore. Yeah. Let's give it a go. Fume extractor. I'm gonna try. That would be the end cap of the cap. Would it? Oh, so the solder will be underneath it. Damn. Well, that cap's completely gone then. Most have gone by the looks of it. Yeah, I don't know the values of the capacitors. Let's have a look at the bottom of this chip. What's that leg saying? Is that gone? Oh, God. Is that restorable? It's okay, Michael, and hello. How are you? Why are you biting your teeth for? Is it because you're scared of my haircut? Dum dum dum. Nah, that pad's gone. That pad's gone. Oh, no, it's not. It's back. I've got it back. Whew. Okay. It's okay, we're safe. I thought that had eaten through it then.
Oh no!
There's no pad there for the cap. Shiny tip revived. Yeah. That's not even travelling through it. That capacitor, is it? Hello, Symbol Tech. No. Unless I literally replace it with one of the same size and hope for the best. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what it is. Is there any end cap? No. Does it need an end cap? Can you not just shove solder in it? Is there a capacitor missing on the left side of the screen as well? This one. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. There is a wire there. I don't know if there is supposed to be something there. It does look it, doesn't it? Because of the colour, the copper colour. So many things unclear. I'm already pretty close as it is. I can't turn up the brightness because the glare will show up. Yeah, oh my god, don't go out of focus. Yeah, I don't know. That could be what's causing it. I think it's too far gone. Way too many liquid damage stuff. This seems like the worst area, though. I've got try not to lose that capacitor. But then you've got all this stuff here that's not too bad. But how long is it going to last for? Let's leave that off for a second. Where else is really bad? So end cap's missing there. But I think that's still soldered on, so it's okay. Where else is really bad? You probably don't need that cap at all. I'm not sure. I've lost it. Is it on the other side? Yeah. No, where is it? There. Well, if it's just going to ground anyway, and it's oh man. Hot Cows, do you have this one handy? Can you tell me if there is a component missing there, please? If so. Have I installed a breaker in your shed? No. No, I'm just not using my electric heaters anymore. So I've got 2 layers of jackets on. Fubar, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to probably give up on this one. There's just so many. Put that cap back on. I'll try and restore that other pad. I was too expensive being 250 miles away. Well, not really. Somebody already quoted somebody, I think, 1200. They said in Discord earlier, somebody quoted 1200 to put electrics in their shed, so it wasn't too expensive. I'm still quite happy to pay it. I just need it done. Oh, great. Now look what I've done. Must be cold there. It's not bad. I'm actually really hot at the minute. Just going to have to keep scraping at that pad until it comes back. I think that's probably the best I'm going to get it. Cost you 150 euros to run a 20 amp line to my shed. Is 20 amps enough? I thought 40 would be good. Is that you doing it yourself, 8-bit, though? The thing is, your electrics are completely different to mine. If somebody could point me to the parts I need, check Discord. Oh, Blue, you ain't got one, have you? You ain't got a picture. Shup, Blue. Pizza. No, I'm in the wrong section. Whoops. Yeah, it's missing the cap there. Yeah, you're right. No, that's not the same version. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. My bad. I'm going to have to turn the board around. No, it's not missing a cap. That's good. Thank you. Both of those end caps are gone. Yo, official circuit reveal. Yeah, digging, bending, conduit, feeding, cable outlets and all. Yeah, I can't do any of that stuff. I could help you, Andy, with what you need to buy. I quoted him for a 110 armored millimeters. 25 meters all the way to meter with consumer unit. With consumer unit, I've already got a consumer unit. And 3 RCBOs. I have no idea what they are. 5 double sockets and lights. You had a space heater which was taking 13 amps up on a 10-meter run with plug rated for 13 amps. Everything after heater was adding stress. Yeah, that's a 2000 watt heater. So I don't know what wattage this extension lead can take. So if I had a 2000 watt pulling from that, plus my hot air station, plus my PC, which has got 850 watt power supply in. Oh, in the shed. Oh, so it's bench is separate from PC supply. Yeah. But when it happened, when it was happening, I didn't have anything running apart from my PC and the hot air, the heater, space heater. Don't you have schematics? No. And 10mm armored would carry 1000 watts. Interesting. What about the meter and what was for dinner? Oh, interesting. Welcome back. Did you lose? Yes, Kyle. Yeah, mate. Do you know what I think? I think this has already been ultrasonic cleaned. Let me put that capacitor back on. Then I'm going to reflow the BGAs and just see what happens.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Yeah, it's a diesel. No, I'm not getting a Jenny. Diesel heater. Or a generator. Yeah, but they're noisy though, aren't they? You're at the limit just with the space heater. Oh, really? Generator power. Yeah, where's Rusty Russ? Russ, you've got like 8, haven't you? You said? You've got 8 Jennies. Yo, yeah. You got 8 generators, haven't you? Maybe you could sell me one. Yeah, I got a few. Although shipping's going to be ridiculous. Okay, so that's restored. Right, where's the next BGA on this side? There is no BGAs on this side other than these type of ones. So first one is this little... No, that's not even a BGA, is it? Is that a BGA? No, it's 4 pads. This one. I thought that was a crack then. Whew. Started panicking. How well do solar panels do in the UK? I don't know. What's the problem with the power? My plug melted. Hello, Fifi. Oh, Philip. Find it, feed, Philip, flip it. I tested your theory about with the Series X. Without the power button, you put a controller unsynced via USB into it, and you can turn it on with the button, with the Xbox button. I couldn't get it to work. I was cussing. Yeah, there's solar power that changes lights to no need for the sun. BGA. Yeah, let's do this chip. All right, multimeter. Needs to be charged and sync lead. Yeah, it was my Elite Series controller. And it was one of my cables that I used to sync it afterwards. Why does that smell like pee? Now it smells like urine. I don't know if this was dropped down the toilet or something. Just run a stronger cable like 3/4 solid wire to good box or some plugs. Easier said than done. Mushrooms and piss, what a combo. I don't know what this smells like. Right, any other BGAs? Is that it? Just those two? I guess that is all the only BGAs on here. It connects to crystal. Yeah, well, I'll flush them both. Wait, I swear I did a third one. Was it on the other side? No, it wasn't. It's just those two. I'll flush them both, don't worry. That's a piss poor repair. Very good, King. Very good. Plus, I've got a 500 watt. This as well. Oh, you can't see it. This CompuCleaner is supposed to be 500 watts. PCDD, little shit. Okay. Try to tidy up a little bit. See what it's doing now. Probably won't do nothing. Wouldn't be funny if it did. I'll be like, oh my god. JFix. Oh, PS Vita. Yes, but I believe it's liquid damaged and it's eating away at stuff. Sculptroid. Hello, Sculptroid. Hi. Sorry, I thought you said scalp. I've got scalp on my mind because of my hair. Here we go. Clipped in. Multimeter leads. Voltage. Oh, it's gone dead. Nope. Is it charging though? No. Try it with the other battery because this one is dead. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, explain that to me. How does that work? Negative to negative on the battery is 3.9 volts. Negative to positive of the battery. Wait, what? Hey? How's that backwards? You need a fan, Andy. I've got loads of fans. You guys. Talk about a reflow. Is connector flipped the wrong way? No. No. These are the same batteries, right? Yeah. This.
Sculptor subscribed to the channel.
Thank you, Sculptor. Thank you. Sculptor. Is that you, Sculptroid? Makes sense if it is. Goes through the charging circuit. Oh no! Alright, okay. 3.9 on negative. But nothing on the positive. Unplug in. Still the same though. 4 volts on negative. But if I go to ground on the battery to positive, we get 4 volts. Why are we getting voltages both ways? Through the negative. I am so confused. That's minus 4 volts though. Hey, why is it switch circuits? Why is it backwards now? Why is it backwards? Thanks. Could be an open circuit on the ground somewhere. Yeah, probably that bloody capacitor. Let me try another negative. Let me try this actual negative here. Yeah. Negative's 4 volts. Minus 4 volts. But then to the negative of the battery to the positive is normal 9 volts. I can't get my head around this. I don't understand what's going on. Because there is inverting polarity protection diode. Check that both batteries are the same. I mean, I'm assuming so. Yeah, it's the same. Actually, no, that one's dead. Yeah, this one's got no charge in it, so I can't tell. Yeah, this one's completely dead. See if I get 5 volts. I can't follow the 5 volts, can I? I tried it before from the charging. So that should be 5 volts. But we're not getting it again. We was getting 5 volts before, but now we're not. Is it seriously this port and this wire? Sent diagram on Discord. USB case isn't ground. Is it? Is it not? Yeah, but I tried it over there as well, and it's the same. And that looks like to be ground. All right, James, I'll have a look in a second. Right, now am I going to get 5 volts? Although you said it's not ground, but I'll get 5 volts on it. Yeah, this port's dodgy. Now I get 5 volts again. All right, now what is it saying? Yeah. 0.148. You say that's not ground. I'll find another ground. Surely that's ground. It's the same. This is the same, which it looks like ground. It's 4 volts in there, Symbol Tech. 1.48, that's another ground. But if I go to negative on the battery and positive, 4 volts, 4.9 volts. Okay, it's still 4 volts, Symbol Tech. I've just said, look. See, still 4 volts, exactly the same on battery connector. And then we're getting 5 volts through this, which then goes to, where did it go to after? Yeah, that's where it confused me. It come out of nowhere. I can't seem to follow where the voltage goes for the charging. But if it's not even powering up through battery, then it's kind of pointless. Remove the battery on the board. That's dodgy motherboard. It is, it's confusing. I've never had... What do you mean by remove the battery on the board? What? What, Chris? The battery is removed. There's the battery connector. And measure the battery connector. Oh, battery connector on the board. Oh, I see what you mean. Sorry. You actually wants me to measure voltage on this. On the actual... Okay. That's a good shout. Okay. So, negative, we're getting nothing. Middle, nothing. Positive, 0.145. But it's got a sense pin here. So it probably won't give out anything until the sense pins... I guess, do I short it to ground to enable it? What model is it? Oh, yeah, you sent me an image. This is the 2003, I think it was. Oh, it's a temperature sensor. All right, my love. Yeah, that's not the same one, James. Sorry, Cal's already sent me that. $10K resistor. I could switch 10K. The image is different version, yeah. Well, voltage is on the battery connector, not using common ground. What, you on about ground from the battery? Normal. Normal voltage from negative to positive on the battery itself while plugged in. So from that negative to that positive is 4 volts. But from ground, common ground, to here is 0.1 volt. But from ground to negative is minus 4 volts. I think it's not the same ground. So instead of using common ground to measure battery voltage around the board, shall I just use the negative from the battery then? Measure the points as if battery was in. You want me to do it from the battery, negative. Having the common ground with battery and USB sounds a bad idea. Okay. All right. Let me unplug it. Plug the battery in and just follow battery voltage with the charged battery. Okay. He measured battery to ground with 0 ohms. Yeah, there's no short on it. Right, so negative to here, we're getting 4 volts, which is great. Then it goes through this weird section, which I can't follow. I flip it and it's gone. It looks like it comes up here, but it's not quite in line. I think it comes up here though. No, sorry. It shows it's here, But is it like layered and then comes up here? How many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots down. How many dots are on here? I can't follow it. Where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, maybe it is the same but different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. One's got 6 dots and the other one's got 5, so it can't be that one. God damn it, where is it? Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, can't be that. You need to poke around in continuity where positive goes. Oh god, that's annoying. From one side to the other. That's going to be annoying, isn't it? Alright, let me quickly do that then. But yeah, that's a good shout. He needs to bin it. I'm interested. Yeah, that's a good shout. Continuity. Let's go for the fuse. Where'd you go, sir? Oh, straight to there. It is to that inductor. So yeah, it still goes to that inductor then anyway, which makes sense, I guess. No, one battery. That one's not going to charge in it. Okay, right. So it does still go to that inductor. So now, how am I going to get a negative from the battery to check that inductor? Because if I use a common ground, we're going to get bloody... nothing. Oh, 0.3 volts. That's inductor, I think it's charging circuit. But it's connected to the positive though. Which goes into this chip. Which, is this the one I refreshed? Yes, it was, yeah. Components and traces are corroded away to nothing. I know. Like, this could be the issues. It could be that that's causing it. It's probably eating away underneath there. That under there has obviously definitely been eating away under there. Don't know if it's soldered back together now. These end caps have gone. That's why I told you to also measure back the continuity for the ground. Oh, to the USB. So that's why I told you to measure also the continuity for the ground and ground battery to ground USB. He did. It's 0 ohms. Yeah, I did it 0 ohms. Is that inductor okay? I don't know. Are you okay? I think so. Ohms. Bam. Yeah. 0.5432 0.1. 0.0 ohms. Oh, 0.1. 0.0. Because I think it's not connected to ground, the negative from the battery. Okay, so yeah. And is this PSV has gone too far? I know it has. I know it has gone too far. Like, you got all this blackened stuff here. Look, these little things. Are these components in between here? Or what is that? Just corrosion? Yeah, I think that's just corrosion. I don't want it to go. I believe this has been ultrasonic cleaned. This has been ultrasonic cleaned. I know it has. I think that also Symbiotic. Someone else said it also. Okay, so battery ground isn't normal common ground. So you have to always measure from battery ground. Okay, so let me see what else is connected to battery ground. On the other side, a second. Hold on. I know what you're trying to say. Yeah, it's still 0 ohms, but why would you not have common ground connected to battery ground? Right, so that's battery ground there on this cap. Okay, that's good. So now I could follow voltages from this side, from battery voltage. So this is battery ground here. So I guess this rail, and this is positive from battery. But I'm getting 0. How does that make sense? But that's from the negative battery. So is that here then I'm getting... solder wire from ground to the battery ground. What, to actually ground it? To turn the battery ground into common ground. Is that safe to do? Okay. All right, let's do that then. Got a bit of stray wire here somewhere, so I'm going to use that. Don't know what the hell's on the end of it. Oh, is that a little component? Got a little component on there, look. I think it was that diode or something. Okay. I think my soldering tips are way too big for this. Or is it? No, it's not. Okay. Please hit the thumbs up, guys, if you're enjoying this stream on a Friday night. Friday night, 6:30. It's a late stream. Oh dear. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button also. Oh man, my solder's spent. Nice tip. It was filthy. Now it's clean. Why you cry? Come on, man. Put solder onto the bloody port. Practice safe soldering with that tip. What do you mean my tip's fine? The ground pads. You're saying to use the ground pads rather than on the actual port. But that might be the same pad.
I've got a really small
Have
one.
you, James? That might be the same as the other ground. It's all right. I'll do it. I've got it. See? There you go. I'll just wick that off afterwards. I did it. Oops. Completely off shot. There you go. I'm actually really enjoying it. It's something different to the normal repair videos. I know, Mark. Oh, hello, Mark. Sorry, I didn't realize it was you. Yeah, I'm enjoying it too. I really don't want to give up on this. Right, now, Dreams, you reckon shove the battery in there or check for shorts? Did you drop it in a carp lake? This was bought faulty, I believe. Okay, that's clean. Let me check to make sure there's no short before I continue putting the battery in, which you shouldn't do. No. Oh, yeah, we got a short. Good job I did check. No, we're shorted now. Good job I didn't put the battery in. It'll bloody blow me up. I don't like this. I'm so confused as to why. Yeah, you now inject the 1 volt. You reckon that'll show it up? All right, I'll inject 1 volt. I like voltage injections. Let's go. So why was that other ground not ground? That's what I can't get my head around. Why is ground not ground? Has it blown something up that grounds ground? Soldered the wrong pin, Andy. No, that's definitely negative. That is definitely the negative pin. Trying to find my small wire. Got it. Or it will set on fire and you could bin it. Not a 1 volt. Because it's actually, let me check what ohms it is. If it's a dead short, I'll start off with 50 milliamps. Oh, it's 12 ohms. No, it's a 12 ohm short. Oh, for God's sake. I'm not saying it one more time, no. I'm probably not going to get anything at 12 ohms. Could be isolated power supply then, maybe.
Oh no!
Good job I checked the ohms as well. Why have 2 separate grounds? Why would you have an isolated power supply? I've never known anything to have 2 separate grounds. Is that where the battery plugs in? Yeah, Kyle. Battery goes in there through this fuse. I believe out to the other side through here into that inductor. Don't know how that inductor goes if I flip it round. It just disappears. I don't know. It's multi-layered, I guess. Because it's isolated. Why would you have an isolated ground? Is it because... No, because the switch doesn't do that. Like I said before, the switch has the same sort of thing here. Look, look, that says 0.5, right? Let me go get a switchboard. Oh, look, it's handy. There's one here. And if we look at the switch, this... Oh, where is it? Yeah, here. There you go. This is the negative part of the switch. This inductor here, whatever it is, resistor, or I don't know what it is. That's the same. That's ground also. And that... Don't know where it goes, to be fair. Don't know where it goes. It might go into that battery chip. Nothing I've ever worked on has an isolated ground on a battery circuit. I've never known it to be that. No, I bought it as no power. Then I tried the charge light came on after 10 minutes. Then when I fitted the new battery, I noticed that putting pressure on the battery connector. Yeah, well, I've sorted the battery connector issue. The orange light comes on. You haven't ultrasonic cleaned it yet. No, I haven't ultrasonic cleaned it yet. No. Sorry, Andy. I'm feeding my little boy. No worries. So why is it not coming on now? With the new battery, though, Mark, it's dead. There's no voltage in it at all. It's literally depleted. So the battery is isolated from the main ground because you have a charger circuit with a boost converter. All right, let me remove this wire. So you're saying like the boost converter being like where it goes from like 5 volts to 15 volts. Well, no, nothing could have that. Simultech can educate everyone on audio isolated ground. Oh, is that audio? I guess audio is different because of feedback then. Feels like I can't plug that in properly. Well, that is it there. It shouldn't need anything else in it, should it? Start charging. No, it doesn't look it. So what you're saying, Mark, is... Thanks, Andy. I need to buy a Vita now so I can test the freaking sleep. So I know. Yeah, but you can't at that price, Dreams. These are expensive. But I've never known to have two separate grounds. Ground, common ground, common ground. Otherwise, you are testing USB power. Wait, think of it this way, Andy. If you want to know how much charge is in the battery and your USB is connected, you need to be able to disconnect electronically to test it. Otherwise, you're testing the USB power. Yes, I've noticed that before. Yeah, when you check the battery, you're only getting how much batteries charge or how much voltage is to the battery, not actually the current battery. Yes, I've never known that, but now thinking about it, yeah, I know what you're saying, and I have noticed that before because I'm like, oh, let me check the battery voltage, and I check it, and it shows 5 volts. I'm like, oh, okay, it's charging, but I'm not even getting that though. But I think though, when I do check, oh no, yeah, you're right, yeah. Any light? No, pressing down. Ah, hey, is it sorted this whole time? I just didn't have it plugged in. Shut up. Or is it the battery? Don't say it's sorted this whole time. No, I tried it though, didn't I?
Oh no!
But is that charging? That's the thing. Yeah, we make it a light. But is it charging? Let me see. No. We're not getting no...
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? It's not charging though. Now, negatives. Oh yeah, this is a dead battery. It's depleted. Or is that trickle charging, slow charging? 2.81. All right, I'll leave it. I guess I didn't have the light plugged in, did I, to check? No, I haven't messed up Mr. Zeke. But let's see. I'll give it 3 minutes. See if it's gone up. Just wait 10 minutes and it'll try turn it on. Yeah, but Blue, if the battery's voltage not going up, it's not charging. No, I'll wait. I'll wait 3 minutes. What time are we on now? 46, 48, 49, 50. Why did I have to use my fingers for that? Because maths. I have knocked my camera, haven't I? Oops. Oh my god, what have I done? I've knocked it completely. Is that center? Yeah. Let your hair grow and test it again. Go have a coffee? Are you mad? It's like nearly 7 o'clock PM. Inject voltage to the battery to fast charge it. If it was that bloody connector the whole time, or could it be that chip that I refreshed, but I never plugged in the battery afterwards? Have a vape handy? Good shout, Mark. Put 4-volt battery in. What, and see if it'll charge it? Just to confirm, this is the 4-volt battery for you guys. 4.091. Plug in the battery. Okay. I'm not going to power it up yet because 4 volts should be enough to turn on, but you never know, I guess. Here we go. We're going to get orange light. Yes, we've got orange light. It would come on with 4-volt battery. Okay, so I try press the power button, or do I wait a little bit? Does it automatically boot up, Blue Saber? 4 volts is 75% charged. Thing is, it could be water damaged screen as well, apparently. There could be other things wrong with it, so. But surely, is there speakers on here? Yeah, of course there's speakers, you donkey. Minus 21 here. Ah, you're 21 years old, Mr. Zeke. Guys, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Hopefully, buy any. Buy interesting things. Thank you. Battery isn't the same as light. No, the polarity is different. I thought it was. I was getting so excited. Same connector. Blue Saber, are you with me? Yeah. Does it power up on its own when you plug in battery, like the Switch does? Because when you plug in a Switch, when it's turned off, it will automatically boot up. What's your flavour in your vape? Jason Statham? Ha ha ha. I look nothing like Jason Statham. My favourite flavour I'm currently is called berry and watermelon. I got you. Nope. All right, okay. So I'll have to turn it on. All right. Touch the power button again. What, press and hold or just press it? Ready? Please go blue. Does it go blue, yeah? Blue light. Press it or press and hold? I don't want to ruin it by spamming it and pressing it. Oh, no. Just press it. Okay, we go. No. Unless it takes a while to boot up. Surely it should go blue straight away. Told you to wait 10 minutes. Oh my god! I think you have to turn it on. This is turning it on with the power button. You pressed the button but it didn't go. It's not charging though. That's what I'm saying. The charging lights. Right, I bet it's still on 4 volt, 4 point whatever volts, 9. 4 volts and 90, 4.9 volts. Yeah, see? It's not charging. We've got a light, but it's not charging. It's not going up. It's been the same since we started. 4.09 volts. You pressed the button, but it didn't go. Press hold. That's going nowhere. No, it's not. Well, we got a stable light as far as it gets. There's something else that's preventing it from powering up. Maybe there's no power getting to the battery button. Can I get to the button so I can check voltage to the button? Press and hold in. Nothing. Check my phone. Yes, I'm checking my phone. I've got no notifications from you anyway. Is it you on about on Discord? Or are you on about WhatsApp? Because I've disabled my other WhatsApp. I don't really use it. No, not on WhatsApp neither. No, I do use WhatsApp. Oh. 4 volts is blue. Wait, what? It's in? I know it's in. Do you have a battery that is charged? Yes, 4 volts. This is a 4.2 volts. There's enough voltage in here. Oh, I didn't know that you know. Yeah, I'm not using WhatsApp anymore. It's just not charging. But the indicator's on. Maybe thermal cam. I don't know why I keep going back to it. It's cold. You're as cold as ice. Go macro. I don't see anything. Do any of the other ribbon cables need to be in for the buttons? Yes, I've got it plugged in. This one. Oh, maybe I could check voltages on this side. See if there's voltage. Oh yeah, there's voltage getting to the button. I just need to see if the button could be water damaged and it won't respond to the button. When you apply 4.2 volts on the battery connector, is it drawing current? When you apply 4.2 volt on the battery connector, no, because it's got a sensor on it. Temperature sensor. It's like the switches. No. Is the USB in the PLD meter for current draw? No, I can't do it on this. It's not USB-C. It's only micro USB and I don't have anything as an amp reading. And I can't be bothered to set up my power supply to check for that. Hold it for 30 seconds. Is there an easy way to get to this button? If I could just get this off, this rocker cover, I could get to the button switch. Yeah, I know it's not a sensor, it's temperature. Is it not a temperature sensor? It's battery communication HDQ Pro. Well, I've been told it was a temp sensor, so I'm getting confused what it is. Put pressure on behind it too. Behind what, sorry, Phil? Behind the actual board? Well, it's been 30 seconds now. No. Put pressure behind the button too. I can't put pressure behind the button. I need to check continuity. Right, let's see if the voltage has gone up a bit. It wouldn't do. It'd still be 4.09. Yeah, still 4.09. A lot of people say you have to hold... Well, I held it for a long time then. It's weird how we got the charging light but no charge. So that's a bit of a misleading thing. I think it's capacitor related. Tom, what did you say, buddy? You put look, but I don't see. Hold PS button. Hold the PS button, power button, and R button. How do I do all that? I have to connect in all the ribbon cables. I think do a clean what in the ultrasonic. Clean in the ultrasonic. Check your Discord now. Yeah, that's cool, Symbol Tech. Where do I wire that up to? The house one? One in the house? Yeah, that's all good, me buying that, but I don't know how to wire them up. I don't know how to what to wire it to. Those little switches, if I could put them in my current one, I'll show you something quick. So I could put them in the blank sections and have wires from there into my shed. No, that's no good as an RCD lock. I have no idea, Dreams. Outie. Hello, mate. Yes, sir. That hard reset. That won't work. There's no point doing that. I'm not Jason Statham. You will have marked it in live neutral on Earth. You need an RCBO. What the hell's an RCBO? With no RCD. You are now. Look, nothing like Jason Statham. This has already been cleaned. This has already been in an ultrasonic. I swear it has. The way that it's all black. Because that's what happens when you put it in an ultrasonic cleaner. If it's got corrosion on. Hello, Falcon. I know I need an electrician, James. I contacted one today. He called me back. I had to send him pictures. And he's put... He put, thank you. I shall pursue through them. I guess that's the image I sent him. The main issue would be going from the house wall to the workshop with the gate in the way. Why can't he just hook it around the house? That's what I don't get. We can install a tall pole near the workshop and have the cable high level along the centenary wire. Also, you need to cover your meter box. I have no idea what he's on about. Oh, I think he's on about my... Because what he could do, he could tap through this, go out the door or drill a hole somewhere through the front door, go across my house, down this little alleyway here where my back garden is. Then it comes out of here. This is my back garden fence. And then he could go around and just install it in there or go behind the shed. And that's the inside. So I don't know what he means by that. Yeah, what's the centenarial? Why can't he just, like I said, come out through the front door, through the wall, or whatever, have wires just going across the wall? What's wrong with that? There's already wires going through the wall anyway, I think, further above. Or he could just literally run it across there. Why do I need to cover my electric box? What's wrong with that? Water, I guess. It's blown off. There are regulations on wire positions. Is there? Why even bother going around the whole house when your neighbours is closer? Just plug into his. Nudity is not okay for electric boxes. To be fair, I didn't even know it was off. My missus deals with all that. I'll get that up there ASAP. See, this is why it's such a headache. That's why I just want an electrician to do their job. They should know what to do. They do it. I don't know anything about all this shit, regulations and shit. That's what I'm paying them for. They're the professionals, not me. Why do you need me to tell you how to do the job? My main distribution box. Now, what's that? That's another new thing. What's that? All I know is what a trip switch is. Well, now a consumer box. It's the same thing. Armored cable from the main to the shed and have the shed running from its own consumer unit. No, what you should have is armored cable from the main. What's the main? From the main consumer unit. That's having two consumer units in one then, basically. Getting an electrician around here is like pulling his teeth. They don't exist. What you call a trip switch is... Yeah, I know that now, yeah. Regulation, schmegulation. Oh, this why I said to the guy, I said, I repair electronics and that. He goes, oh yeah, it's pretty much the same. I'm like, no, it's not. You're an electrician and I'm a technician. I don't deal with bloody house electrics and rewiring and stuff. I just take things apart and try and repair them. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back to this. It's getting late and I'm hungry. If the earth is not connected correctly, it will break. Oh, nice. Andy, you didn't do that. Please tell me you slipped with the butter knife. What are you on about? Ask him if he can fix a tractor motherboard and see if it still thinks it's the same. Yeah.
I've got a really small one.
Your hair. Oh, my hair. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, I did that. Do you like it? Yeah, I'm going to go now, guys. I'll continue with this tomorrow. I'll probably do it off stream to have a bit more of a think what I can do. I do kind of want to see if this button's even responding. I'm sorry. I'm just going to be talking otherwise. Oh, look what we have there, guys. Fuck's sake. I don't think that's a burn mark. That's corrosion. Do you see the broken trace? Yay, trace repair. The string keeps going. Do you reckon that's to the power button as well? I'll be well annoyed if it is. Yeah, but there's still more issues with it. There's still more issues because it's still not charging. There's going to be so many issues with this. Rainbow Trace pair, let's go. What's the connector like? I've not even looked at the connector. Oh. Oh. Don't tell me that's all ruined. Don't tell me that's all eaten away as well.
Oh no!
Yeah, I know it is. There's just too much stuff. Swap it with a switch connector. Do you reckon it's the same width? Screen one. That'd be cool if so. But it's probably eating away at the traces still. It is an endless pit. Let me give it a quick scrub. Give it a good old rub. Do you know what? I might even have some mulled wine again tonight. Oh, yeah, okay. We might be all right with that. I think we might be okay. I still see a bit of silver. This PS Vita is too far gone. Still, let me try and see at least if it will turn on. That's what I want to do. Charging thing, you could just, I guess, buy one of those little charging chips, like what Vince did with his what do you call it? With his thermal camera thing that he bought. Let me take this down, see if I can scrape back that orange stuff and do a wire. Good thing is, it's at the back. No, that's not a good thing. That'll go in first. No, we're now going last. Wait, what? Yeah, that'll go in last, so that might not even get pushed in. Ah, that's kind of annoying. Where am I going to tape that down to? There. Tape it down. Great. Where is it? Hello, thanks. Mr. Clean. Where'd you get Mr. Clean from? The charging issue is from motherboard or battery itself. I don't think it's battery because I've got two batteries here and neither of them are charging. One is charged, which is very strange. The old battery is charged, but the new one's depleted. Sorry, the old one's not charged. It's 4 volts, aka 75% charged, according to Dreams. Oh, yeah. Good idea, Phil. Google Mr. Clean images. Oh, what, like Flash? Like our Flash, I guess we have. Phil? Are you home yet? Let me have a quick look at Mr. Clean. Mr. Clean. Oh, okay. I don't quite look like that, but yeah, very close to. Very close to. Yes. I don't want to open it yet. Oh, okay. There's nothing important. It's just literally, there's no extras in now, I'm afraid. I will now, though. There's no extras, I'm afraid. It's just that, this, that, and the other. I'm a tight ass, you see. Mr. Clean looks like Jason Statham. I look nothing like him. Let's have a look at that, Shay. And after all this, the screen's going to be water damaged. Is that enough? Nah, maybe a little bit more at the bottom. AI Murray? What? Al Murray? There you go. Al Murray, yeah. Oh, is that Al Murray? Yeah, Al Murray. Cool, you don't hear from him anymore. Yeah, this PS Vita is a gift that keeps on giving. Yeah. I hope it don't burn through it. I'm going to turn the temperature down to 300 degrees. See if I can add a bit of solder onto it. AI version of Al Murray. Oh no, it's not an AI version, just Al Murray. Murray. Andy, Mr. Positive. Yeah, man. This is like really cool. I like it. Look how shiny that tip is. But it's not taking it. There you go. Oh, perfect. Oh, gotta love that. Right, 0.6, no, 0.06 mil. 0.1. Pretty sure this stuff that... Is that 0.06? This is that purple one that Uber Micro Repairs provided. Where's my 0.06? Oh, is that it there? Yes. I think it might be the same. Nope, this is definitely thinner. Or is it? Is that thinner? Maybe. What? Oh, you bugger. I should actually... Oh, no, I've got to burn the enamel first. What an idiot. There you go. That's probably why it didn't stick. I need more enamel. Ooh. I need more enamel. Ooh. I need more enamel. Is that on? I think so. Oh my god. Oh, perfect. Hopefully that's enough solder on the other end there. I'm not too sure. It's quite far away. It's not zoomed in much. Don't know if I should risk it or leave it. I think that might be enough. What? It's late at night, man. Why am I getting emails and shit? Your package is with its courier. Oh, yeah, guys. I bought a kit. Well, not a kit. I bought stuff to make a dimmer bulb. I forgot to mention it. Just opened it. Thanks, Andy. No, you're welcome. Congratulations. Good luck. Like, have you tried it, though? It's bright. You need a kettle cable. Make sure you turn it up, though. When you first plug it in, it's not on its maximum brightness. Oh, what? I got soldered right down. Cool. Let's give that a go. And not yet. I will take it to the new office and put it on the scope. You got a trinocular? If you do, then you should be okay. 50mm trinocular. You guys, stop it. Do you want this started on ya? Get off my Discord. Red Saber, you little shit. Oh, then that's not another break in there, is it? I hope it's not. Quick, continuity. Right. This one should be okay. Yeah, we're good there. This one? Yeah, that's okay as well. Right, let's try this. Let's go in there. Thermal camera. Go back in its pouch because it's pretty useless for this one. And if this doesn't work, I'm calling it. I just at least want to see a picture or something. Come on. Push in there. Nice. Clamp down. Okay. That's connected. I hope. 4-volt battery in. Let's plug the charger in. Just to see if it still works. If you fix this, you need a shot of alcohol. I'm only going to have a bottle of mulled wine. It's only like really low percentage. It still won't be fixed because it's not charging. But I just wanted to see it blue light. Ready? Please work. 3, 2, 1. Bugger. That's going to that as well. It's going to the blue light. If we follow the traces, it goes up to it. Is there voltage on that pin though? That's another thing. Let's go out. If this works, I have a new hero, Andy Statham. No, it's not. Right, let me check for voltage on it. If there's voltage going to it, then that's a good sign. Battery from ground from battery. Yeah, we're getting 3.7 to it. 3.7 volts.
Adam BK 420 subscribed to the channel.
Ooh, thank you, Adam. That's what she said. Why? What did I say? Not full in. Oh, it is full in. Trust me, that's as far as that goes. So that's getting power to it now, which is to... Could it just be a bad power button now? Do you reckon I could jump it against ground? That end one's got to be ground, right? That big, thick one. Or was that the main power? Let's have a look. 3.7 and 3.9. 5.3 volts to that. That's 5.3 volts. 7.5 volts. What? 7.6 volts. Why so high? Look inside the connector, please. Connect the screen and hold power button as a recovery mode. It's not even turning on. It should still respond to power button. All right, I'll look inside connector dreams. How's that 7 volts, man? So that's still fine. What the fuck? Connector's beautiful. $17 volts on a switch. I thought it was 15. 17 volts, damn. I never have my microscope this low anyway. I don't know why it's so low. Yeah, that's more of a decent height for me. Yeah. That's the height I like it. So it seems like there's power now getting to the power button switch. Or that could be the charging. No, that wouldn't be the charging. Oh, please. What is that? I need schematics. Or board view. The third one up. Right, let's take this off. How do I get this off? Okay, there's a clip that side. Okay, there's a clip here. Somewhere, I can't see it. Here. Oh, okay, it goes in. There you go. Yes, there's the board. Why does that look so bendy? Okay, where's another clip? Was it literally on the other side? Okay, so there must be one in the middle somewheres. Where's the one in the middle? We've got one either side, but there's nothing in the middle. Now who's paying me? All money been taken out. Oh, okay. Oh, I just pushed it back on. How on earth does this come off? Has anyone else taken one of these apart before? Oh, I just clipped it back in. Yeah, that's just for the LED. So the third one there goes to the LED. So that wouldn't have affected the power. Yeah, I am Ventru. Tracy spends all Andy's money. Yeah. So why does that not press then? When I press it down with my tweezers. Oh, it does. Now, how can I test continuity on 2 pins while pressing the button down? Maybe these two? Is it the 2 end ones? I don't know where it goes to. Can't really see. I'm almost bold. Join the bold club. Let's clip this back in. Guess I could check for continuity while pressing it. That's the last thing I could do. Whoa, Andy's winning. I'm not.
Oh no!
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they're together. No, it's not. Is it those two? Oh, for God's sake. What's the power button? Oh, I can't do this with one hand. Maybe if I rest my pinky on it. Click down. Is it going to beep? Nope, no beep on these two. Next ones. Nope. Nope. Oh, I'm not even pressing down on it. It's too difficult to measure it. That's it. I think I'm done now for today. 100% this time. Oh man, that's so annoying. There's multiple issues. I'll try and see what I can find. Have I got any nits? Oh look. Why have I got a red head? Is that like a rash? No. What's that? Is that a rash? Could be head rash. You did great, babe. Thanks, Grass Puddles. My hair's like the ocean and the Atlantic, one on one side and one specific on the other, and Dead Sea in the middle. Oh no, you got one of those haircuts. Same as me. Very annoying. Remove that solar panel. Why don't you stick it in the ultrasonic overnight?
I've got a really small one.
Okay, the thing with that is my ultrasonic cleaner's in here, and what happened today, I don't feel comfortable leaving my electrics on overnight. Not yet. At least he can't pull his hair out over the Vita. No, I can't pull my hair out at all. Andy, the hair looks good, mate. Grow the beard out. Yep, I'm planning on to. JFix told me to. I've trimmed it up a bit. So it should be growing out soon. Yeah, thanks for joining, guys. I don't know how many lurkers there are, but thank you guys for lurking. And thanks for the new subscribers as well. Thanks, Tommy. Bye, Blue Saber. Thanks for chilling. Falcon, thanks for the stream, Andy. Have a nice evening. Glass or two of mulled wine. It'll be a whole bottle. It's only what equivalent to like 4 glasses, and it's so low. Thanks, Kawask and Tomball. Thanks for joining in, mate. I'm glad you've joined us as well. Michael, Russ, chill and relax. You're welcome. Tommy, of course, it's Tommy Broccoli. Faboniaki. Simon Wise, Ventures. Will we see you on Sunday? Yes, Sunday. Don't forget to join in on Sunday on the charity stream. God, I'm not looking forward to the charity stream. You should get that mole looked at, or is that a wart? Are you on about my head or what? What are you on about? What? What? I think that's everyone now. I'm gonna say my goodbyes. See what Mr. Zeke's on about. Mole looked at, or is that a wart? What are you on about? I'm clean, bruv. Right, okay, I'm going now in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. No, we're not live now, Mooka. I'm going. Sorry. I will do. Thanks.